In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Viber on multiple devices. Whether you're switching between your phone, tablet, or computer, staying connected on Viber is seamless and straightforward. Let's walk through the process together, so you can effortlessly use Viber across all your devices in just a few minutes. First, let's start with installing Viber. Begin by picking up your main device, typically your smartphone. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once there, simply type Viber into the search bar. As soon as it appears, tap on Install to download the app onto your phone. Next, we'll need to get Viber ready on your computer or tablet, which will serve as your secondary device. For this, navigate to the Viber download page on your preferred web browser. You'll be presented with options for downloading Viber for Windows, Mac, or even a tablet. Choose the version that matches your device and click on Download to add Viber to your system. With Viber installed, we'll now set it up on your main device. Open the app on your phone and tap on Start. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number, so type it in and tap Continue. Within moments, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Simply input this code to confirm your number. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile by adding your name and, if desired, a photo. This personalizes your Viber experience and makes it easier for your friends and contacts to recognize you. Now, let's connect your secondary device to the same Viber account. Open Viber on your computer or tablet. On the welcome screen, you'll see an option that reads, "I already have Viber," or "Sign in." Click on it and a QR code will appear. This is where your smartphone comes back into play. On your phone, open Viber and look for the More option, usually represented by 3 lines or dots. Tap on it and select the QR code scanner. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your secondary device to scan it. Once scanned successfully, the devices will sync, linking your secondary device to your main Viber account. You'll now be able to send and receive messages, make calls, and view all your chats across both devices. Using Viber on multiple devices is now at your fingertips, providing you with the convenience of staying connected no matter which device you're using. Enjoy seamless communication and more flexibility than ever. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless Viber experience across all your devices.